Gavin here from Death Toll Racing. I got a little shop hack for you, something I do when I'm trying to weld little tiny things onto things, so you can just keep dropping them through it. Or you're trying to hold it, and you start to weld it, you moves and you drop it. Or if you're trying to do it maybe down in recessed and you can't get in there, you can't even get a magnet in there. You know, a magnet would be a way to hold that on there while you tacked it. But if you're trying to put it down recessed, the magnet probably won't work unless you have a good magnet retrieval tool or something. So what I do is you just turn your welder down a little bit, just bend the wire and get it down there like that. Just tack for a sec, and then you got a part on the end of a wire. I got to do two of them, so I'm just going to do them now so I don't have to set my welder up twice. Bend it, get in the middle. And it works better if you turn your welder down. That way you just make a clean little spot versus having it up and then half the time the wire doesn't actually stick to it. So there we go. Now you just got to remember to turn your welder back up again. I'm not going to turn it up very far because this is actually really thin material. And then you can weld it on there. We got like the extra little wire on here. Just like that. Voila. So kind of how I did it. I do it, you know, especially if you don't have a magnet just standing by, or you know how magnets are when you're sitting there grinding and stuff. They end up having big poofs of metal dust on them. So that works out pretty good.